Like in Hermes, for Sato Loré, I think the number one client there, it's not me by the way, by far, it's a Filipinas.
Tila may pa-shade daw with glitters of heart si entrepreneur and online personality Doktora Vicky Bello nang sinagot niya ang tanong kung ano ang kanyang Christmas wish.
What is your Christmas wish for the country?
Her and her partner's reaction, Hayden Ko, show that even the rich ay naaapektuhan at nade-depress na rin sa sitwasyon ng corruption sa bansa, lalo na sa mga nabulgar na multi-billion peso plunder cases ng ilang politiko, contractors, at mga kasabwat nila.
Nako.
Yourself.
Oh
Also,
my God, I love you, Philippines. I really love
we
you.
love our country so much. And it's very heartbreaking what's happening.
Bello wishes for the best for the country, of course.
And I always pray that God will make a way when there seems to be no way.